How's it going, fellas? Welcome back to Trade Recap. We took 2 trades today. Both were losses. That's okay. Not every day could be a winner. That's alright, man. Let's just kind of review why we took the trades today. This first trade that I took was fucking terrible. That's why I took the second one, because I thought that it was going to be a better entry. And to be fair, it was, better than the first one. Still a loss, though. That's okay. Let's just kind of get right into this shit, right? So we'll just hide this hoe for a second. Hide. Alright. So, what caused us to enter this trade today? We were making very bearish price action, but we made this very big fucking white drake yesterday. So I was like, oh, maybe we're gonna respect this. But I'd seen that we just kept coming down, and we probably wanted to take out the straw on liquidity here. But let's go on to the 1 minute. So market opens, right? We were in this bearish trend, or well, this is market open. I didn't take a trade till the macro. So during market open, we were just making very bearish price action, taking out these lows, just going deeper into this fair value gap. So when the macro opened, I'd seen, boom, break a structure. Boom, fair value gap. I was like, I bet this is money. I drew out my 79%. We never ended up breaking it. So that was one reason why I should have probably have taken this trade. So we could just remove that. So it's a little bit of a cleaner chart. So I'd seen that we came in here, tapped into this fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap, and we respected it. We were also in equilibrium. And as soon as we broke above the fair value gap, I entered. Why was this a bad entry? Because I should have waited for this to get inversed. So, I should have probably waited for at least sacrificing some RR to get a better entry, right? So that's why this trade was shitty. And I knew this trade was shitty, but yeah, I was, just wanted to make something happen, and ended up losing the trade because of it. That's okay. Now, let's unhide. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Where the fuck did it go? Alright. Alright. Let's get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you. Alright. Why did we take this trade here? So, just kind of we were talking about this draw on liquidity here. Alright, I had seen that market had, came into here. We had also tapped into this fair value gap here. And then on the 5-minute time frame, or let's just back it up. I drew out the 79%. I'd seen that we inversed this fair value gap. I'd seen that we broke the 79%. And then also on the 5-minute time frame, we broke structure. Boom. So I was like, I bet we broke 79%. We inversed a fair value gap. We broke structure on the 5-minute. This is a way better entry than the previous one, right? And I still de-risked. I didn't put as much risk on the table as I did on the first trade, just because I knew this is the second trade of the day and we don't need to be greedy. But I wanted to give myself an opportunity to try to make something happen, right? So, with that being said, I had entered on a 5-minute break. Boop. And originally I had my stop loss down here, below this low, right here. and below this fair value gap. But when I seen that we came in, filled this fair value gap, now we respected it, I moved it up here. And then a little while later, we were, pretty decent in profit here. I decided to move my stop loss even tighter, because I was like, it's the second trade of the day. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But yeah, that's just basically what happened. I was targeting these highs here, and then I was targeting the pre-market session highs as well, all the way up here. You could just disregard this line. This line was just to show a liquidity sweep from my charting earlier. Boop, we can get rid of that. But yeah, that's basically what I was targeting. We can get rid of this too. Don't need that. So yeah, I was targeting these highs here from the macro. Then I was targeting the pre-market highs as well. But yeah, 2 losses on the day. Can't win them all. 2 losses this week, but we've taken 3 wins. So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I will take that. Have to give some profits back to the markets eventually, you know what I mean? So this is why we de-risk. This is why we don't put everything on the table. I've definitely learned a lot about de-risking and stop losses, because a lot can go south very, very quickly. Also, I think we broke structure on the 15-minute time frame too. We did. I was already in the trade at this point, but we did break structure on the 15-minute here. Boop. But what can you do other than say GG's and I'll fucking see you again tomorrow? So that's what I'm gonna do. GG market. You got the best of me today, but we're coming back tomorrow, and we're gonna come back even stronger than we did today. If you guys liked this video, thought it was informational, maybe you learned something at any point, maybe consider subscribing. Maybe drop a like. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.